it's Jim from Tech Buzz. New watch in from Haylou Solar Lite 2 smartwatch with a AMOLED display. Now, I'm just going to give you a quick unboxing. Didn't come on time to give you a full review, but you'll get to see what's on it before we get moving. 1.43 AMOLED display, BT hull, 1 atom water resistance, voice assistant, 150 workouts, and always on display. So let's get it out of the box. Give you a quick look before we test it. Then you can ask us questions. So that's it there. Pretty nice looking. So inside you're going to get your USB-A and proprietary charging, a booklet, and that's the watch up close. Nice looking design, pretty standard but still looks nice with this face on it. You have 2 pushers here. Let's see. Give you a quick look at it. So you've got your English, and we scan this on our app to get going. So we'll quickly set it up, come back to you, and then we'll see you then. So what you're going to do is scan it with your device, double click to install, and the app will install, and then we'll be back to you then. Right, so watch is now paired, as you can see. So I'm going to get testing on it. So you got a face gallery here, which is pretty nice, and I want to see what that looks like. Starting off. So there you go. So we've got that in there. Let's have a look at the watch itself. It does look nice. We're getting rid of this Apple Watch for a while. So you scroll down, you've got your usuals there. Scroll up your notifications. Scroll left for your health, your heart, all that kind of stuff in there. So you've got your steps, calories, all that kind of stuff in here. What you'll expect from the watch. Zoom in a bit more for you. Scroll to the right, you've got all other options there. Weather, stress, sleep, blood oxygen, heart rate, all that kind of stuff in there. And that's pretty much it. And you've got this in here. You can scroll through here. So we'll have a look at all this in the full review. And that's just giving you a quick idea. You've got this button pusher here for your workouts, all that kind of stuff in there. You can add as well, and all that kind of stuff. And that's pretty much it in there. So you got all these settings in here as well, but we'll take a close look at all those when we're doing the full review. But just a quick first look of the watch and unboxing. And that's it for the minute. Looks really nice face as well. Nice clear display. That's a close look at the back. And again, a nice strap with it too. So, any questions, feel free to ask. And you can fire away. It's already looking for where I'm going to go for the jog. And that's nice to see. App looks pretty nice, so we'll have a look at that as well in the full review. And you've got all other actions there, your target settings, help, your faces, all that kind of stuff is in there. But again, full review, we'll check all that out and you can see that later on, so stay tuned for that. But for the minute, that's the first look at the all new Haylou Solar Lite 2 smartwatch, which is pretty nice, and it'll be on my wrist now for a couple of weeks, so feel free to ask questions. Also comes in a white colour, which is pretty nice looking as well, And again, we leave a link below to where you can pick her up. And don't forget to stay tuned for more. And we'll see you then. And any questions, hit us down below. We'll answer. See you soon.